Namaste. Meditation is the sacred path to your inner peace and clarity. As you sit here, gently close your eyes, slow your breath, and allow your mind to become still and free. Remember, chakras are the energy centers within your body. With every deep breath, visualize healing light flowing through each chakra, balancing and renewing your entire being. Let this sacred banyan tree remind you your roots are strong, deep, and unshakable. Your spirit is free, boundless, and radiant. Stay connected to your inner self and allow meditation to transform your life from within. Breathe in calmness. Breathe out tension. You are grounded, you are centered, you are whole. This moment, here and now, is your sanctuary of peace. Embrace it with an open heart. Shanti. Peace. Peace. Peace.